Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So the guys are using a forklift and a piece of wood to help us to apply a small amount of pressure to the wall to shift the wall back in place where it needs to be, so that he can go ahead and resecure everything. And this is again on these back walls that keep coming loose. The tricks of the trade, right?
Oh yeah.
Safety first.
Safety first, he says.
Work smarter, not harder.
Yeah, so everybody, if you didn't already know, this is Terry. Terry does a little bit of everything. He does all the paint and body, all the hard-to-do flooring. There's nothing really he can't do. So if you haven't met him before, when you come in next time, say, "Hey, Terry." He does love Coors Light.
Yes.
Not Bud Light.
No.
But Coors Light.
Coors Light.
So just
No
remember
Bud Light.
that if you come in and you want something for him to do, like a poop tank or something like that, that's a definitely,
That's
Mr. Customer, I'm gonna need some Coors Light, right? the tall cans, right?
Oh yeah.
All right. Well, hey, if you haven't joined us on our Grand Design Facebook group, I think we're almost at 39,000 people. Isn't that crazy, Terry?
Oh yeah.
And every day
Wow.
when I wake up or when I go to bed, there's just tons of people either posting stuff or sharing stuff. And we ask you to do that, just like, he's doing this wall repair here. We ask you to do that so that we can see what's going on, what you guys are experiencing besides what we are experiencing. So we post these videos to try to help you. It helps like other shops, mobile guys, dealerships. It helps the manufacturer to kind of see problems when it's like 2 years, 3 years, and so on, 5 years, 10 years down the road. And it just, things that they build it and they don't think that there's anything wrong with it. And then a couple years or some rough roads or whatever. So it kind of helps them to see like what's going on. So if you're having some kind of weird problems with your coach, or it's just something you're fixing, it could be a common thing, something that normally goes out or whatever. We ask that you share us a picture, share us a little post on it, or write a little synopsis of it, so we can know what's going on. Do a video, that helps us too. And then we'll save that. We'll put that in folders so that everybody else can see it and have it for years to come. So, all right. Well, hey, I'm going to get out of here and quit yakking. Thanks so much, Terry. See ya.
Adios.
Have a great day. Dustin, Terry, your RV specialist at our shop in Lodi, California. California RV specialist. And yeah, don't pick on us because we're from California, right? He's originally from
Utah.
what? Utah. My
I don't
family.
claim to be in California.
Yeah, my family is all from Oklahoma, Texas, that kind of stuff. But you know what? The weather's nicer out here. So it is what it is.
Yeah.
We got, where we're at, we've got everything you can think of in all different directions. So,
2
all
hours
right.
to the snow, 2 hours to the ocean.
Yep. All right. Well, thanks so much for watching.